For those who've seen other videos, they would realise that Paddy and I like to go four-wheel driving, camping and fishing. And to assist in this, I bought myself a Toyota Hilux and had a Flexiglass canopy fitted to the back. Now, one of the issues with the Flexiglass canopies is the newer ones is that there is a central locking system, and at times the locking system locks up and can't be undone. As you can see from this view of the canopy, there is a central handle which, when it operates correctly, releases two latches, one on either side of the vehicle. But after a bit of wear, and especially a lot of off-road travel, the vibrations cause the mechanism to shorten, and the handle cannot be turned far enough, and one of the side latches will not release. Fortunately, this model of the Flexiglass canopy has side windows through which access can be gotten to the inside of the canopy and to the point where the latch is, and after taking off the covers, the latch can be pushed from the inside through the side window, with someone using the handle on the outside to release the mechanism. This is the latch area where the jaw on the latch clamps onto, and when the handle cannot turn the mechanism far enough, the jaw does not slip off this bar. So to repair it, we need to pull apart the mechanism and remedy the situation. The first step is to remove these covers. There is one either end of the mechanism, and they're simply attached through two Phillips head screws. Just undo the screws and the mechanism will fall off. The cover will fall off, revealing the mechanism. In the centre, similarly near the handle, there is a cover which has a Phillips head screw either side. Take out the screws, pull down the cover and remove. Having removed the covers, you can see that there is an arm attached to the handle, and when the handle is turned, the arm pulls in from the central area, and on the outside area the arm moves in as well. The problem that occurs is when this rod stretches, becomes longer, the clamp at the end, just here, cannot be opened far enough to release from the latch. So what we need to do is to take that arm out. Now, if we look carefully, there is a black plastic clip that sits over the top of the arm. You just simply push that clip up and the arm will be released from this end. The arm is now released and ready to go. Similarly, there is a plastic clip at this end, and the arm simply unclips. The arm is unclipped here. We can now remove the whole rod from the central bracket. When we take the rod out, we can see that there is a plastic ferrule in the centre there, and basically there are threads on either end of these rods, and what happens is somehow the rod, the thread goes back through and needs to be shortened. So all you need to do is turn the rod several times to shorten the length of the overall rod, and it'll be ready to replace. After putting the rod back through, we simply place the rod down in the plastic and turn the clip, if I get it right, turn the clip and click it so that the clip is holding. And we're going to do basically the same thing at the other end, put the rod in, turn the clip and fasten it. After replacing the rod, checking that the mechanism is working, don't forget to put the covers back on and screw in the 6 Phillips head screws. Happy 4-wheel driving.